Hello, third graders, and welcome to the last lesson of the week. This is lesson 2-4. The name of this lesson is Multi-Step Number Stories, Part 1. When I look at this, I see the word multi-step. Multi-step means I have to do more than one thing. There's more than one step to do. Sometimes when you're working on solving number stories, you have to do more than one thing in order to get the answer. We're going to start with some mental math. And I've got some basic facts, but this time my unknown or my question mark is before the equal sign and not after the equal sign. So I'm going to look at 3 plus what equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Well, I'm going to do the same thing I've done in the past. How far it is from 3 to 13. That's 10. Okay? So then I need to think that this is going to be 7 because 10 plus 10 is 20. 13 plus what is 20? 13 plus 7 is 20. 43 plus what is 50? Well, I can kind of go with that same idea. Maybe this is 7. But I have to double check. I always have to prove that I think that's my right answer. I have to see that it makes sense. Well, 13 to 43 is going to be 30. So if this is 7, I add these two numbers together and I should get this number. 30 plus 20 is 50. Let's try it again. 4 plus what is 10? 4 plus 6 is 10. Well, the last one, they were all the same numbers, so I can maybe just assume that these are all going to be 6 and move on. Nope, I have to prove it. I need to make sure that my answer makes sense. So I'm going to go from 4 to 14, and the difference is 10. So if this number is 6, I should be able to add these two numbers together and get 30. Well, no. 10 plus 10 is not 30. It's only 20. So I need to add another 10. Oh, I need to not keep this 6. I need to have that be 16. Yep. Now, 10, because I added a 10 here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So I always have to check to see the number that I'm using as my unknown is correct. I have to prove it. So this is making me think that that can't be just 6. So I'm going to go with, how far did I go from 14 to 24? That's 110. Okay, and I need this to be 50. So 10 plus 30 is only 40. So I need to add 10 more to that 16 and make it be 26. And I'm going to take all those 10s, add it to the 30. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 30 is going to be 50. This is an example, boys and girls, of sometimes you need to do more than one thing to find the answer. So we're going to work on some math message and some practice problems here. This is a vending machine, all right? And you have in your pocket 80 cents. And you're going to estimate. Estimate means you're just going to make a good decision, a good choice. I just want to know, do you have enough money to buy 2 packages of the same snack? So look at our snacks here. We've got crackers. They cost 30 cents. Peanuts are 55 cents. Pretzels, 65 cents. Raisins, 45 cents. Rice cakes, 50 cents. A bottle of water, 75 cents. Granola, 40 cents. Sunflower seeds, 60 cents. Mints, 35 cents. And cheese sticks, 25 cents. So, you have 80 cents in your pocket. What snack can you buy 2 of and you have enough money to do so? Well, when I'm looking here, I could buy crackers because it would be 30 plus 30 and that equals 60, and that's less than 80, so that would work. I could do granola. 2 of those would be 40 plus 40, and that equals 80. That's exactly what I have in my pocket. I could do mints. That's 35 plus 35, and that equals 70. That's less than 80 cents. So I have that much money in my pocket. And then we have cheese sticks. And cheese sticks are 25 cents. So 25 plus 25 equals 50. That's less than 80 cents. So if I have 80 cents in my pocket and I want to get 2 snacks, 2 of the same snacks, what 2 things could I get? I could get 2 crackers for 60 cents, 2 granolas for 80 cents, 2 mints for 70 cents, 2 cheese sticks for 50 cents. I have another problem that we're going to work on. And when I look at my vending machine here, I can see I've got some choices of coins to put in. 5 cents, which is a nickel, 10 cents, which would be a dime, 25 cents, which would be a quarter, or a dollar. How many cents are in a dollar? 100 cents are in a dollar. So what I want you to imagine is that you have 100 cents in your pocket. Okay? And we're going to determine whether you have enough to buy some items. Okay? So you buy 2 packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. How much money do you spend? First of all, we can imagine, or not imagine, we can think and estimate. Would I have enough? If I have 100 cents, would I have enough? Well, 2 crackers would be 60 cents. And a sunflower seed would be 60 cents. And I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. Put a 0 at the end. That's 120. That's going to be too much. But let's see how we can figure that out with some number sentences. So if I buy 2 packs of crackers. So remember, there's things that we have to do 2 steps or more in order to solve some problems. So if I have 2 numbers that are the same, I could do 30 plus 30 because that's the crackers, and that equals 60. But that's not all the money I'm going to spend because I'm also going to buy a package of sunflower seeds. So then I need to take the total from my crackers, which is 60, add on how much the sunflowers cost, which is 60 also. Think about my basic fact. 6 plus 6 is 12. 0 here, a 0 here, put the 0 here. That's 120. So that would be $1.20 is what I would need to have in my pocket in order to buy 2 packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. And you notice that I had to write out 2 different number models to help me solve that problem. And that's going to be our focus today. Let's take a look at the next problem. What costs more? 2 packages of mints or 3 packages of cheese sticks, and how much more? And remember, it helps to read the problem more than once. So I want to know what costs more. Is it going to be 2 packages of mints or 3 packages of cheese sticks? Well, first I need to find out how much these things are going to cost. So if I have 2 packages of mints, that's going to be 35 plus 35, and that equals 70. 3 packages of cheese sticks. That's going to be 25 plus 25 plus 25, and that equals 75. Then I have to look at my answers and see which one is more. 75 is more, but I'm not finished yet because they want to know how much more. So this problem, I need to write 3 number sentences. 1 to find out how much the mints cost, 1 to find out how much the cheese sticks cost. Then I need to figure out how much more the cheese sticks are than the mints. So I need to write a 3rd number problem, and I need to subtract the total of the mints from the total of the cheese sticks, and I'm going to get 5. So the cheese sticks cost 5 cents more than the 2 packages of mints. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is an example of a multi-step problem. I need to do more than one thing in order to solve the problem. Here's another. I'm going to buy 5 packs of crackers. There are 2 crackers in each pack, and you eat 3 of them. How many do you have left? So we're just working on crackers. And I'm buying 5 packs. And there are 2 crackers in each pack. So 5 groups of 2 is going to be 10. That's my first number sentence. I eat 3 of the crackers. Well, if I have 10 crackers and I eat 3 of them, that's going to be a subtraction problem. 10 minus 3 equals 7. I have 7 crackers left. This is an example of where I'm going to be writing 2 number sentences in order to solve the problem. On page 41 of your math journal, there are some practice problems. So solve each problem below. Use pictures, words, or numbers to keep track of your thinking. Write number models to show each of your steps. You see that S there? That means that's a plural. You're going to have to write more than one. Let's do the first one together. A package of rice cakes contains 6 rice cakes. That's information you need to know. You buy 2 packages of rice cakes. So 2 packages of 6 equals 12. That's my first number model. Then you eat 4 of them. So if I had 12 and I ate 4, there's going to be 8 left. So the answer is 8 rice cakes. This is an example of a multi-step number problem because I had to do 2 things in order to solve the problem. So you try number 2 and number 3. Number 3 says for everyone in your class to have 1 rice cake, how many packages would you need? So if we have a total of 20 children in our class. So I'll give you that information, but you're going to use the information from up here to help you solve the rest of the problem. When you get to this page, just pause the video. Here are some practice problems to do. You can just do them on a regular piece of paper. So they're all about Jeremy. The first one, Jeremy has 3 packs of stickers. Each pack has 4 stickers. So my number model is going to be 3 times 4 equals 12. Then it tells me he gives 2 stickers away. So 12 minus 2 equals 10. That's how many stickers he has left. Now you pause the video and finish the last 3. We have a rounding review page that you can practice. This part here is just another way to think of rounding numbers. Read through that and see what you can do. It's kind of neat. And then a math journal page. Good luck, have fun, and enjoy the rest of your week.